हाय फ्रेंड, आज हम लोग पार्ट 5 जो पीएससी का क्वेश्चन था लास्ट वो डिस्कस करने जा रही है। वाई द क्यूरिंग पीरियड ऑफ कंक्रीट विथ पीसीसी इज मोर देन ओपीसी। इन पीसीसी सेकेंडरी रिएक्शन स्टार्टेड आफ्टर हाइड्रेशन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, थियोरिटिकली द बेस्ट क्रॉस सेक्शन फॉर ए लाइन कैनल इज ट्रापेजोइडल। रेनॉल्ड नंबर is the ratio of the inertia force to the viscous force. A different manometer is used to measure D का जो है वो राइट होगा, different of the pressure between the 2 points in a pipe. Find the maximum bending moment at a fixed end of a cantilever beam of span L subjected to vertical concentrated load P at the free end. The cross section of beam is square section of each side A with its diagonal place in vertical direction. Answer होगा 6√2 PL by A cube. Among the following, which graph has the highest value in the delta rise? The unit in which both sedimentation and digestion process of sludge take place simultaneously is Imhoff tank. A tube of outer diameter 150 mm is connected to a plate by welding all round as shown. The strength of weld as per IS 800-2017 is 500 Newton per mm. In the limit state method, the design find the maximum torsional moment can be applied so that the weld will not fail. Take partially load factor is 1.5. इसका आंसर होगा 5.625 पाई न्यूटन किलो न्यूटन पर मीटर। नेक्स्ट जो क्वेश्चन है वो है, फॉर ए given discharge, the critical flow depth in a open channel flow depend on channel geometrical only. Static indeterminacy of the frame with 3 initial hinge and 3 hinge supported apart from 2 fixed support is ये 15 करेक्ट होगा। ये जो m+2n=3 जो फॉर्मूला है उससे आएगा। द शेप ऑफ द डिफ्लेक्शन कर्व ऑफ अ प्रिज्मेटिक बीम बिटवीन द सपोर्ट एज सोन विल। देखो नीचे में एक पिक्चर दिया हुआ है, उसके हिसाब से क्या निकालने पड़ेगा। यहाँ जो शेप ऑफ डिफ्लेक्शन कर्व है वो निकालना पड़ेगा, तो ये होगा बी सर्कुलर। एट द location of the plastic hinge in a plastic analysis of a structure, the curvature is infinite. The creep strength is due to dead load only. Lerch's yield factor is written F equals to 1.76 dmm to the power half. For 3-dimensional movement of the weight in a construction site, which one of the following machine is the most suitable? Is crane. For a saturated cohesive soil, a triaxial trace yield angle initial friction is 0. The conducted test is called the unconsolidated undrained test. A critical path in a project management has minimum slab. ये जो पिक्चर है ऊपर में देखो, द रिजिड जॉइंट EI is constant, so is no soy. The minimum cement content in the concrete mix designed for a double concrete depend on exposure condition plus water cement ratio. For the reversible of the stress, the most suitable bolt generally used in steel structure is HSFG bolt. a vehicle negotiations transition curve with an uniform speed v. If the radius of the horizontal curve and allowable jerk is r and j respectively, the minimum length of the transition curve is vqr divided by j.